Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're going to break down a really powerful tool for security pros, the Elastic Stack, or as a lot of people call it, the ELK Stack. If you're in security operations, you totally know this feeling, right? You're just drowning in this endless stream of log data coming from, well, everywhere. But what if you had a tool that was basically designed to help you navigate that sea of data? Well, that's exactly where the ELK Stack comes in. Okay, so here's our game plan. We're going to break down what ELK actually is, get to know its four core components, then we'll dive into how you explore the data, how to search it, and finally, how to visualize everything you find. So while it's not technically a traditional SIM, a lot of security operations centers, or SOCs, use ELK just like one. And the reason is pretty simple. Its ability to search and visualize just massive amounts of data is absolutely incredible. To really get how ELK works, let's think of it kind of like a news agency that's designed to turn all this raw, scattered information into a compelling story. And it has four key players. You've got Beats, which are like your reporters on the ground. Then there's Logstash, who's the editor. Elasticsearch is the huge digital archive. And Kibana, well, that's your desk where you analyze and present the final story. And this right here shows the flow perfectly. Data is collected, it's processed, it's stored, and then it's presented for you to dig into and analyze. All right, let's move over to Kibana, because as a SOC analyst, this is where you're going to be spending most of your time. This is your home base. The Discover tab is your main workspace. Think of it as your command center for exploring, searching, and really making sense of all that raw data. Now, what's really cool about this is how it breaks down your main interface into these 5 essential areas. You've got your search bar, a time filter, the fields pane on the side, an index pattern selector, and of course the data pane right in the middle. Now, to find those specific events, the needle in the haystack, you need to speak the right language. And in Kibana, that language is KQL. KQL lets you do everything from a super simple text search to really complex field-specific queries. It's how you ask questions of your data. You've basically got 2 main ways to go about it. You can do a broad free text search to find any mention of a term, or you can get really precise with a field-based search for those deep dive investigations. So for example, a simple free text search for United States is going to pull up every single log that contains that phrase. Quick, easy, and a great starting point. So the really crucial thing here is that you can combine your searches with logical operators like and, or, and not. This is how you start to make your queries incredibly specific. And for a truly surgical search, you can specify the fields you care about. Here, you're looking for logs where the source IP is this exact address, and the username is a perfect match. This is how you zero in. Finding the data is one thing, but presenting it in a way that actually means something, that's how you create real insight. And this whole process really boils down to 2 key steps. First up, creating your individual visualizations. So you can take raw data points like, say, source countries or the number of failed logins, and just instantly turn them into these really clear charts and tables. And this is where you bring all of your insights together, all in one single pane of glass. By combining all these different visualizations, you can build a totally custom dashboard to monitor specific activities, like all your VPN connections, at a single glance. So let's recap. You now get the core concepts you need to start turning these huge log files into clear, actionable intelligence. You understand the components, the workflow, where to work, what language to use, and how to tell the story. Mastering these skills, searching, exploring, and especially visualizing, that is the absolute core of using ELK effectively as a security analyst. So you have the tools now to go from drowning in data to finding the critical stories that are hidden inside it. The only question is, what story are you going to find?